Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when a new video is up. Today is a lucky day for me because the belt bag I've been eyeing on has finally arrived. My sister was shopping a few days ago and called me to let me know that the Gucci belt bag that I like was on sale at Nordstrom. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. Comes in a dust bag, and here's the receipt from Nordstrom. I'm not sure how much is the original price for this, but we got it at 525 USD plus tax. It is called the Gucci Ophidia GG Supreme Belt Bag or the Gucci iPhone Belt Bag. Comes with tags and care cards. It has a top zip closure, and there are two interior card slots. And the fabric inside is kind of like suede. And the canvas has leather trim, and it's made in Italy. It also has the signature Gucci web stripes and iconic double G logos brand. So here's the front of the bag, and then the back with a piece of leather where you insert the belt, and also the sides of the belt bag. The bag measures 7 inches across, 4 inches in height, and 1 inch in depth. The belt is adjustable and is removable, so you can actually use the belt by itself for your outfit if you are not using it with a bag. It only has 3 holes, so I have to go to the repair shop to put more holes to tighten or loosen around the waist. I also plan to wear it kind of like crossbody or shoulder bag. You can also remove the belt and use it as a wallet or a clutch. I am a size 85 for Gucci belts, but I ordered the size 95, so I can wear it lower on the hips with low rise pants or higher if I use high rise pants. It has the signature Gucci web stripes and iconic double G logos brand. It is a compact belt bag crafted from durable canvas, perfect for travel and for a day out or doing errands. It has 2 card slots for your ID and debit or credit card. It is small but roomy for your essentials. Now let's see what fits in the bag. So here are my essentials: my phone, my lipstick, car keys, a pen, and the Louis Vuitton clay where I keep my bag. For my phone, I'm using it for recording. It's an iPhone XR. And here's my daughter's phone. It's iPhone 6s, which fits perfectly in the bag. The iPhone XR definitely fits perfectly inside. Now let's try it on. And that's it for the Gucci Ophidia belt bag. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe or comment down below if you have questions. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!